Hey everyone.
Hello.
Follow up for Miss Monica today. So I want to check some things like the foot-brain connection. Make sure they're communicating because still not quite feeling 100% on your feet.
Mm-hmm.
So what's happened? Is it your knees or your hips that have fallen out from underneath you occasionally?
Knees.
Knees, okay. So face down, I'll just check some stuff with the spine, make sure the information coming from the sacrum is going down to the legs. And I might even check some of the big muscle structures either side of the spine as well and make sure they're okay. Stress-wise, your job feels more secure at the moment, so they've created a space where that all works.
Yes.
Kids are 50-50.
Yes.
Bit challenging, that's okay.
Uh,
Yeah. And then there was some shenanigans with some people from church on the weekend. So
Yeah.
we'll just throw in church shenanigans, any and all trauma, and especially, is it messing with your confidence, not trusting your feet, not trusting your...
I think it is.
Okay.
Because when I'm walking downstairs, I hang on now just so that I don't fall.
Okay, so I'll do something about confidence. So we'll sort of keep it nice and, does that sound about right?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Sounds good.
And of course, back on HCG at the moment, so time to kick some weight into action. Been having way too much fun in the last little while. So,
True.
okay, so tapping releases bone memory. Okay, so firstly, we'll check the ankles and then the leg lengths. See where there's a connection that's throwing your neck out at all.
Mm-hmm.
Crackety crack.
Yeah.
Is it both knees or one knee?
Just the right knee.
Right, okay. Okay, so firstly leg length. So it's fractions shorter on the right than on the left. But now it's massively shorter. So as the knee bends, so that's really out by maybe 1 millimetre or 2. But by the time we get here, it's a good centimetre. Which means the sacrum's not stable and it's throwing the atlas out.
Okay.
Okay. Where is it? There. Is that sore?
That's
okay. Breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. Breathe in and out.
Still playing the sport.
Yeah, because obviously with the knees it can be the muscles itself around the knees, it can be the nerve impulses, but it could also be the nerves coming from the lower back.
Okay.
And when I flip you over, I'll stick the scanner on, so see if it also gives me some information. Right, so that hasn't shifted that, which means I'll check this. Well, I'll check. So firstly, in the clear. Hold up for me. On the right, hold up for me, on the left, both sides. Okay, so it's saying no, I'm fine. So let's check any and all current shenanigans. Any and all current shenanigans. And hold, yep. Hold. Hold. Okay, so it's both sides. Any and all current shenanigans. So it's jamming the occiput and the sacrum. Any and all current shenanigans. Any and all current shenanigans. And hold. Good. Let's check stress and stress hormones. Hold. Okay, that one's okay. Let's check pain and pain hormones. And hold. Let's check any and all hormones associated with insulin resistance. And hold. Interesting. Never checked that on you before, face down. So any and all hormones associated with insulin resistance. Because that can drive stress and pain as well.
Oh, okay.
And it can also make it harder to maintain our weight. So any and all hormones in relation to insulin resistance.
That's tender there.
Which one?
No,
This one? Ah, this one, okay. And hold, good. Any and all church / congregation / shenanigans. And hold, yeah. Church shenanigans. People in church shenanigans. Friends in church shenanigans. Okay. And hold. Okay. Any and all stress around the kids and grandkids. Any and all stress around the kids and grandkids. And hold. It's pretty good. Okay. Any and all stress around the kids and grandkids. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. So next one we'll do is the issue of tuberosities, the centering mechanisms. And hold. No, that one's fine. Let's check the centering mechanisms for the skull. And hold. That's fine. And the combo. And hold. That's fine. Okay. So next one is tailbone. So we get C3 on the neck. Tailbone and hold. That's pretty good. So we'll check any and all current shenanigans. And hold. Any and all kid or grandkid trauma. Hold. No, that's all good. Beautiful. Check these little guys through here, the spinal respiratory fault. And hold. Ah, okay. So from a chakra perspective, it's the back of the throat chakra. So speaking your truth. So, you know, that can be the brain living in the past. Back of the heart chakra. So, you know, trying to find an easier time in your world when you're, you know, it was easier to feel loved and cared for and move forward with peace and love and kindness. So those are the two chakras that really impact on that. The bottom of the spinal respiratory fault is more the solar plexus chakra, which is about, you know, personal power and that sort of thing. So it gets out of whack when we're feeling dominated and, you know, there's dogma controlling things.
Yeah.
So, yeah, okay. And hold. Beautiful. Any and all stuff around current shenanigans. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. Let's check the tailbone with the sphenoid bone. And hold. Okay. So, eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Any and all current shenanigans. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to any and all current shenanigans. And hold. Beautiful.
Mrs. Fix-It.
And hold. Oh, have you been clenching your jaw that you're aware of?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to any and all current shenanigans. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. In relation to any and all current shenanigans. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Oh, sacral jamming. Hold. Oi, yeah. So when that one unlocks, the sacral bones, they're all jammed too much and they can then be messing with our spinal respiratory fault as well. Okay, eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's dark, eyes open. And hold. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, no. So I want to check some of these big muscle structures along here. So firstly, just lift your head up for me. And you raise your shoulders a little bit and hold the body up. No, rock solid. So now put your head down, put your hands into your lower back, okay, and look up over your left shoulder and hold up for me. Yeah, pretty bloody good. And up over the right shoulder and hold. Ah, feel that. Okay, so not so optimal on this side. So that is these muscles along here, the sacrospinalis, aren't holding things in place as well as they could, should, would be in a perfect world. With no stress, no trauma. Life is good, life is good, life is good. So once again, hands. Actually, I'll run the meridian. So that's the bladder meridian, which is externalized fear, anxiety, and it runs all the way. So it does sort of run just to the side of your knee. Wrong knee. So left knee.
No, this is the
Right. Okay. Yeah. So the bladder meridian sort of runs here on the spine, comes out to the butt, then it lifts off, and then it comes down all the way to the side of the leg. So it's the longest meridian in the body because it actually comes in two parts and runs in head to toe.
Okay.
But yeah, externalized fear, threat, danger, fear, anxiety. Okay, so hands in the lower back, look up over your right shoulder and hold up for me. Beautiful. Good, good, good. Now while I've got you there, I'll just do some Bowen moves in the lower back as well. Just sort of roll those into place. Bit tender through there.
This side, left hand side.
Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so we'll turn over. So just hold, I'll pause that and come back for part 2.